The rainy season isn't just about cozy vibes and hot chai, it's nature's invitation to grow. So, why not let your home and garden bloom with it? But before we start, if you are new to this channel, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. When the skies pour and humidity rises, indoor plants thrive like never before. Peace lilies, erica palms, snake plants, and ferns love the moist air and need minimal care, making them perfect green companions for monsoon days. Step outside, and the rain does half your gardening work. Think of plants like hibiscus, marigolds, jasmine, and banana, monsoon lovers that soak up the showers and burst into vibrant blooms. But don't forget, more water means more chances of root rot. Use well-draining soil, clean pots, and keep an eye out for pests to ensure your plants stay happy and healthy all season. Don't forget to like, share, and comment.